on the home of modern soul music and new jack swing. CSR with PM Philip Michaels, keeping the swing swinging.
Por favor.
Hold on. You trying to tell me you can't swim?
Seriously, when I'm in the deep water, it panics me. Plus, I'm terrified of eels and squid and seaweed and...
Okay, dude, see, I know you're just trying to make excuses now.
Look, CJ, I need someone from outside the Triad who I can trust.
All right, so let me get this straight. You want me to swim around in dirty dock water, dodging little brown jelly beans and Vietnamese gangsters to put a bug on a boat in the harbor?
You're so negative.
Listen, man. When I was a kid, swimming off the Santa Maria, I once got a condom stuck to my face. Horror like that stays with you for life. Believe that.
Believe it.
I have a confession to make. I'm blind.
No shit.
Yeah. Although I've trained my other senses to a point where you wouldn't notice my handicap, in the water, they'd be quite useless.
All right, Woozie, relax. Don't beat yourself up about it. Look, I'll do it. One last thing. You do know that I'm black, right? And not Chinese.
I'm blind, Carl, not stupid.
A ver. A ver cómo es. Que tiene que poner el micro, está anclado de mar abierto. Estoy anclando el balón y una vez en la ruta. Bueno, voy buceando. ¿Qué problema hay? Por lo menos me mandan la ruta, mira. Algo es algo. Espera que se genere esto. Para despertar extensión. Subir un poco piedra ahí.
Hey, we gotta check over here.
¿Me han visto?
There, see him? Keep circling.
No, he's long gone or dead.
We got somebody in the water over here. He was just here.
Shit, he's been down there too long.
Doy toda la vuelta, me da igual. Uf, no sé si daré. No, me pasé de listo. Esperar aquí un poquito. Todavía tengo escudos, eso es bueno. A ver, estoy por ahí. Fuck, listo.
San Andreas, dog!
Chuparla.
Run while you can. Death wish? Don't blame me. Blame yourself.
I want to see blood.
Venga, ¿qué más? Están aquí ya. Vale. Hostia.
Oh, I love. Now you shut up. Should've stayed the fuck out my way. Oh, I feed it to the roaches.
Cabrón.
God!
No, 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 no.
You
No.
wanna hit me? Come on.
Me revienta.
Fake.
Esa coña. ¿Dónde hay que poner el micro? Hay que bajar. Seguramente haya gente.
I bet your pizza ain't too bad.
¿Ves? Ahí está. Ahí
Hey.
está. Me mata.
Think you can take
Hey,
me?
what was you saying?
You having fun yet?
Coño. Vale, me voy. Está el peta de gente, ya verás. Mítico de GTA. Hola. Vale, voy nadando. Parla. Los cojones me vais a pillar a mí.
That's the bastard!
No sé, Guille, para nada rápido. Joder.
He's under us!